Snowman is wearing his hat
Mama.
and scarf
Mama.
and gloves.
Mommy, Daddy.
Mama.
Mummy Pig is wearing her hat and scarf and gloves.
That is the best snowman I have ever seen.
Daddy Pig looks quite cold. He isn't wearing his hat and scarf and gloves.
True.
Daddy, why aren't you wearing your hat and scarf and gloves?
I don't know where they are. I can't find them anywhere.
I think I know where Daddy's hat, scarf and gloves are.
Daddy Pig's hat and scarf and gloves are on the snowman.
Oh.
The sun is shining. It is very hot.
Lovely hot day.
Pepper and George are wearing their boots. They are going to jump in muddy puddles.
I love muddy
Mama.
Oh,
Oh dear, the sun is so hot that the puddles have dried up.
Mommy, Daddy, the puddles are all dry and we can't jump in them.
Never mind, Pepper. It's so sunny, you can play in the paddling pool instead.
Yes, the paddling pool.
First, you have to change into your swimming costumes.
Yes, Mummy.
Pepper and George are wearing their swimming costumes. Mummy Pig is wearing her swimming costume. And Daddy Pig is wearing his swimming costume.
Because it's so hot, you need sun cream.
Ew, so oily and yucky. Yuck.
Oh, what a fuss about nothing.
Yes, we all need sun cream today.
Oh. Come on, George. Let's get some air into this paddling pool.
Daddy Pig is pumping up the paddling pool.
Easy as pie.
Pepper holds the hose. And Mummy Pig turns on the water.
Where's the water?
Pepper and George love their paddling pool.
Ice cream! Ice cream! Miss Rabbit, the ice cream lady! Ice cream!
On very hot days, Miss Rabbit sells ice cream.
Mommy, Daddy, can George and I have an ice cream please?
Oh well, I suppose it is an especially hot day.
Hooray!
Please, can I have one as well?
Everyone likes ice cream.
Hello, Mummy Pig, Pepper and George.
Hello, Miss Rabbit.
What ice creams would you like?
Can I have a cone, please, Miss Rabbit?
Of course you may, Pepper.
Thank you.
The same for me and one for Daddy Pig, please.
And what would young Mr. George like?
Dinosaur!
A dinosaur?
Silly George. He always says dinosaur for everything.
Well, it
Mama.
happens that I do
Mama.
have a ice lolly.
Dinosaur. Grrr.
George, you should eat your ice lolly before it melts.
Dinosaur.
George loves his dinosaur ice lolly so much he doesn't want to eat it.
Thank you, Miss Rabbit.
Enjoy the weather.
George, I really think you should eat your ice lolly before it melts and falls on the ground.
Oh dear, George's dinosaur ice lolly has melted and fallen on the ground.
Never mind, George. You can share Daddy's ice cream. I'm sure he won't mind.
It is so warm, Daddy Pig has fallen asleep.
Daddy Pig does look hot.
Let's tip water on Daddy to cool him down.
Good idea, Peppa.
Whoa! What happened?
You were all red and hot, Daddy Pig.
So we tip water on you.
Oh, I see. Thank you, Peppa.
Look, the puddles are back. Quick, George, let's get our boots.
Peppa and George are wearing their boots.
Buzz.
Love the hot day, but most of all, they love jumping up and down in puddles.
Babysitting.
Mummy Pig and Daddy Pig are going out for the evening. Granny Pig and Grandpa Pig are going to babysit.
Granny Pig, Grandpa Pig, Daddy Pig, Papa Pig.
Where?
Hello, my little ones.
Hello!
Peppa, George, into your beds, quick.
Good night, my little piggy.
Good night, sleep tight.
Good night, Mummy. Good night, Daddy.
What little darlings.
Now go to sleep quickly.
Yes, Mummy.
맞아
Well
먹어.
behaved.
Mummy Pig and Daddy Pig are leaving for their evening out.
Peppa and George are so good. They just fell asleep when Mummy Pig told them to.
This babysitting is easy.
George? George, are you awake?
What strange noises. I wonder if we should check upstairs.
Peppa, George, are you awake? Well, I never. Fast asleep.
So, it wasn't Peppa and George making all that noise.
I can't hear anything.
I think they really have fallen asleep. Let's watch some television. Gardening. Today we are talking about roses. Oh, I love gardening programs. The pipscape is a particularly thorny rose.
Mama. Mama. Mama.
Start by
Mama,
chopping off
Mama.
the head
Mama. Mama.
and snip away the
Mama.
burning shoots.
Peppa, George, you should be in bed asleep.
맞아
I'm
먹어.
not sleepy at all.
응.
Can we watch TV with you?
Well, I suppose watching a little TV might make you sleepy.
Hooray!
Icelandic roses are a rare treat for the discerning horticulturalist, but they are prone to lobbing in temperate habitats.
This program is very boring. Grandpa Pig, can you play that game where you throw us up and catch us?
Okay, but just one turn each. Oh, you seem heavier than before. Now it's George's turn.
My turn.